In this video, I'm going to show you how to start configuring a Nexus switch from the scratch. The process is a little different than the other Cisco Catalyst access switches, such as Cisco 3650 or Cisco 3750 or any other Cisco access switches. When you boot a Cisco access switch, you normally get a message saying, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog, yes or no? When you say no, you directly go into the switch configuration mode and you can start to configure that switch. But in the Nexus switches, it is a little different. I'm using a Nexus 9300 to show you how the process works. So just the switch has been rebooted and you can see the first message keep coming back about power on auto provisioning. You have answers yes, skip, no. You need to answer it as yes for the first time. So wait until this message stops and type in yes. So I typed it yes. Now it is disabling power on auto provisioning. So that means it goes with the normal setup. Do you want to enforce secure password standard? You need to answer no. Now it is asking enter the password for admin. This can be any password, but you need to remember this password. This is a local password to get into the switch using the console connection. Most of the time people use Radius server for remote login, but sometime if you do not have a remote login available using the Radius server, your last resort to get into the switch is the console connection. So make sure this password is configured properly and you remember that password. So I'm going to enter a password. It is asking to confirm the password. Looks like the password I put second time didn't match the one I put first time. Let's do it again. Looks like it matched it. Now it is asking the last question. Would you like to enter the basic configuration dialog? I would say no. Now you can see the difference that we have to pass through two more hoops to get to would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog box that you normally get at the first time when you boot a regular Cisco access switch. Now it is asking the login, that is admin, and your password, what you have put in before. Okay, now I am into the switch configuration. Now I can start to configure the switch. Just in case if you say no to the first question, this will go into a different boot sequence. To get back to the regular sequence, you need to reboot the switch. So make sure you answer yes to the first question, no to the next two questions. Also, you need to set the admin password. If this video is useful to you, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification to get my future video updates.